Good afternoon, students. I am Yasmin Himana. I am your maths teacher. In this class, we are going to see about geometry. Standard 1, Term 1, Subject Maths, Geometry. In this lesson, we are going to see about the comparison. First, you see these rhymes. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. First, sit, 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 sit inside the sit inside the class. Inside. What is the meaning of inside? What is the meaning of inside? Inner part or surface of something. See the first picture. The students are sitting inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. What is the meaning of on? In place or position. In place or position. See the second picture. The students are jumping on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. See third picture. The students are crawl. Crawl means what is the meaning of crawl? To move slowly with the body close to the ground. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. What is the meaning of under? Below the surface of something. Next, go, 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 go far from the table. What is the meaning of far? Yeah, long away. Distance, yeah, long away. Come, 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 come near the board. What is the meaning of near? To get close to something. Next, play, 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 play outside the class. See this picture. The students are playing outside the class. What is the meaning of outside? The outer side or surface of something. Next, you see about some keywords. Next, keywords. Top. Top. What is the opposite word of top? Bottom. What is the opposite word of top? Bottom. What is the meaning of top? The highest part or point of something. What is the meaning of the top? The highest part or point of something. What is the opposite word of the top? Bottom. What is the meaning of bottom? The lowest part of something. Next word, inside. Next word, inside. What is the opposite word of inside? Outside. What is the meaning of inside? Inner part or surface of something. Inner part or surface of something. What is the opposite word of inside? Outside. What is the meaning? The outer side or surface of something. Next word, on. What is the meaning of on? In place or position. In place or position. What is the opposite word of on? Under. What is the meaning of under? Below the surface of something. What is the meaning of on? In place or position. Under mean what? Below the surface. Below the surface of something. Next, above. What is the meaning of above? Above in a higher place. Above means what? Higher place. What is the opposite word of above? Below. Below means what? To a lower position. To a lower position. Next word, fair. Next word, fair. F-A-R, fair. What is the meaning of fair? A long away. What is the meaning of fair? A long away. What is the opposite word of fair? Near. What is the opposite word of fair? Near. Near means what? To get close to something. So get close to something. Next word, big. Big means what? Large. Small mean what? What is the opposite word of big? Small. Small means what? Not large in size, number or amount. Not large in size, number or amount. Okay. First word, top. T-O-P, top. Next word, bottom. What is the spelling of top? T-O-P, top. What is the opposite word of top? Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Next, inside. In, in. Side. S-I-D-E, side. Inside. Next, what is the opposite word of inside? Outside. O-U-T. Out. O-U-T. Outside. S-I-D-E, side. Outside. Next, on. O-N. On. What is the opposite word of on? Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Next word, above. Next word, above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. What is the opposite word of above? Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Above, below. Next word, far. F-A-R. Far. What is the opposite word of far? Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Next, big. What is spelling of big? B-I-G. Big. What is the opposite word of big? Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Okay. Okay. Next slide. See this picture. What word is this? Top. What word is this? Top. What is the spelling? T-O-P. Top. What is the opposite word of the top? Bottom. What is the opposite word of the top? Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. See this picture. The bird on the top of the flag. Top of the flag. The cat sitting bottom of the flag. The cat sitting bottom of the top. Bottom of the flag. Bottom of the flag. Top, bottom. The bat sitting top of the flag. The cat sitting bottom of the flag. Next, inside, outside. Inside, outside. See this picture. The monkey inside the cage. The monkey is inside the cage. See the next picture. The boy standing outside the car. The boy standing outside the car. Next, you see the picture. The boy sitting inside the car. The boy sitting inside the car. Next, you see this picture. The dog standing outside the canal. The dog standing outside the canal. See this next picture. The dog sitting inside the canal. Inside the canal. Next. On, under. The flower jar is on the table. The flower jar is on the table. The slipper is under the table. The slipper is under the table. See the next one. Above, below. Above, below. See the cat. The cat sitting above on the chair. Sitting above the chair. The cat sitting above the chair. See the next one. The rat sitting below the chair. Sitting below the chair. Next, far, near. Far, near. The boy standing near to the tree. A boy standing near to the tree. See that girl? The girl is far from the tree. The girl is far from the tree. Next, big, small. Big, small. See the picture? The elephant is big in size. See the rat? Rat is very small. Big, small. Big, small. Next one. See the one. See the picture. The books are arranging in this picture. The blue color book is in which at the top. The blue color. The blue color books are arranged in the top. The blue color books are arranged at the top. See the next one. The red color book is at the bottom. The red color book is at the bottom. Next one, see this picture. Tick the boy at the bottom of the slide. But which boy? See this two. Compare the two pictures. Which boy in the at the bottom of the slide? First boy. So tick the first one. Next, tick the pot at the top. The which one is the top? This one first. So you tick the first pot. Next one. How will you arrange these items inside the bag? Why? The boy is thinking which one is arrange the first. First, onion. What are the things? Onion, coconut, egg. First you arrange the coconut. Why you arrange the coconut first? Coconut is very hard. So you arrange the coconut first. Bottom of the bag. Next you arrange the onion. Next you arrange the onion. Next top of the bag you arrange the egg. Why you arrange the egg? Egg is very soft. It's broken easily. So you arrange on the top. Next one. Papaya has its seeds inside. Papaya fruit having a seeds in inside. Cashew has its nut on outside. See this picture. Cashew nut having the seeds on outside. Outside. See this next one. Tick the dog inside the kennel. Which dog is inside the kennel? First one. So you tick first one. Next is circle the sparrow outside the nest. Which one is in the outside? This sparrow. So you circle this sparrow. Now I am telling a small story. The story is here hare and tortoise. There was a beautiful forest. Tortoise and hares also lived in the forest. One day they have they had an argument about who was faster. They decided to go on a race. The hare ran very fast and the tortoise walked slowly. Hare looked back and the tortoise was far behind. The hare decided to take rest for some time and run again. The hare slept. The tortoise walked slowly and grasped the hare. The hare woke up suddenly and saw the tortoise was nearby the winning post. The hare started running, but the tortoise already win the race. What you understand in the story? Slow and steady win the race. Slow and steady win the race. Next, telling another one story. The cap seller and the monkey. The cap seller and the monkey. One day there was cap seller in a town. One fine day he was selling caps. After selling a few caps, he got tired. He stopped by a tree and felt asleep under it. There were many monkeys on the tree. The monkey came down, looked at the caps from the back, and they climbed the top of the tree. The cap seller woke up and shocked because the bag is empty. Then he thought of an idea to get back all the caps. So he threw his cap in the air. The monkey also do the same. Then he threw the cap on the ground. The monkeys are throw the cap to the down. After the cap seller collect all the caps and went happily. See this picture. The cap seller standing under the tree. The monkeys are on the top of the tree. See the next one. Circle the toy seen under the table. There are two toys. First, helicopter and aeroplane. Which toy is under the table? Helicopter. Which one is under the table? Aeroplane. So you circle the aeroplane. To circle the aeroplane. Next, circle the ball lying on the bed. See this picture. Which ball is the lying on the bed? On the bed. This ball. So circle the ball. Next, above, below, above, below. Eyes are above the nose. Eyes are above the nose. The mouth is below the nose. The mouth is below the nose. First, practice. Circle the bird flying below the tree. How many birds are flying below the tree? Circle the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, see the next picture. Circle the clock seen above the calendar. Above the calendar. Next one. See this first one. The car is far from the bus. See the car. The car is far from the bus. Next one. Color the t-shirt of the boy who is near the ball. Who is near the ball? This boy only near the ball. So circle this boy. Circle not, color this t-shirt. Color the t-shirt. Next, circle the cat which is far from the bowl. See the two cats are sitting. Which one is the far from the bowl? This cat. So you circle this. Circle this cat. Next, see the picture. The shark is big. The shark is big. Big in size. The zebra fish is small. The zebra fish is small. Compare the two one. Which one is the big? The shark is big. Which one is small? The zebra fish is small. So you tick it. Next, practice. Tick the bigger one. This is, which one is the bigger in size? First one or second one? Second one. So you tick the second one. Next, tick the smaller one. Which fruit is very small? Orange or jackfruit? Orange is very smaller. So you tick the orange fruit. Next, color the big cake in a brown color. You color the big cake in a brown color. In a small cake, you color with the blue color. Next, you see about the shapes. You see about shapes. Round, corner, edge, flat. Round shape not having a corner and edges. What is corner? What is edges? The boundary line of a surface. Edges is nothing but the boundary line of the surface. Now I draw this one picture. Which one is the boundary line? This is the boundary line. This is the edges. This is edges. Corner means what? This place is corner. It is the point where two converging line meet. Converging line meet. This is a, now I draw this square. What is the corner? This place is the corner. Edges means what? This boundary line of the surface is this boundary line of the surface is edges. Flat means what? The surface having a flat surface. Now you see the example of round, corner, edge and flat. See the first one. The ball is round. The ball is round. See the picture. The ball is round. Next, the slate is flat. The slate is flat. It's having a two surface. The book is flat. The book is flat. The orange is round. The orange is round. Next, tick the following object as round or flat. Object, first one is watermelon. Second one is remote. Which one is the round? See the first picture. The first picture round or flat. See watermelon. Watermelon is round shape or flat shape? Round. So you tick round. Next, the remote is flat or round? Flat. So you tick flat. Next one, corner and edges. See the picture. This is the bricks. Say edges of the bricks. Corner means what? It is the point where two converging line meet. This is a corner. See the picture. Color the corner. Color the corner. Which are the corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a rectangular shape. The rectangular shape having the 4 corners. Next, trace the edges. Trace the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. If any object having a round face and flat surface, no. Round shape means the round not having a corner and edges, but the flat surface are having the corner and edges. Okay, thank you students.